So you are back with your girl, I rock. You rock, we rock, I rock. So today I'm going to review the infamous L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This has been considered the best drugstore foundation out there, and I'm going to review it for you guys so you guys can see if it's a buy or pass. So this foundation, I actually got it in 530, and I'm not sure how it's going to look on me, but that's the shade I got. It says it's 24-hour breathable texture, and it's respirable, and it has a pH of 25. So this is how the foundation looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. It's like your normal, it's like your normal regular foundation. So I'll put some of that on. I have my beauty blender that I totally did my best that I could to freaking wash off. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I feel like the shade I got was probably too dark for me. I was literally gonna get a darker shade than that. I was gonna get the like 535 or like 540, but I was like, I don't know. It's so hard for us dark skinned girls, like seriously. It's so hard if you're not able to sample the shade to actually find like the perfect shade for you. So yeah, I have the Fenty foundation that I'm totally in love with. And I think the Fenty foundation is about like 35, 40 bucks. And this foundation is only like $9. So yeah, that's kind of a big difference. So I really love the way this foundation covered up my acne scars. For the most part, I'm gonna go ahead and build that up. Sometime I actually want my acne scars to be completely gone. So I actually like this foundation, to be honest with you. I feel like the coverage is definitely like a medium coverage foundation. And I totally forgot to put my primer on. So if you guys are interested in seeing me review that e.l.f. Jelly Pop kit, go ahead. I will link that down below. And you guys will go ahead and watch that. But I forgot to put my primer on. But who needs a primer when it says you can wear it for 24 hours, right? So we're gonna go ahead and see if that is the case. So yes, do you guys see the difference? Let me go ahead and get close. This is a L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I think it looks really good on me. I'm not sure if I need a lighter shade or not. Just probably like one notch up from 530. So there's a 525 or 520 maybe. Other than that, I really like the foundation. Tell me if you guys think this is a buy or pass. My verdict is, for a drugstore foundation to look this freaking good, I would definitely say it's a buy. I don't know, I like everything about it. It's definitely breathable. It's not too compact. Like, I don't feel like it's packed. My face is packed full of makeup. You know how you have that foundation that's just too thick or just too much? I don't feel like that with this foundation. And I've heard so many good things about it, so that's why I tried it. So I would definitely say this is a buy. I like this product, super affordable, and you get your money's worth with it. You get your money's worth. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more. Also, if you are interested in seeing me go ahead and beat the rest of this face, because I am almost done, stay tuned.
Yeah, yeah.